English is not hard. It is easy.
You can learn fast with us.
We have a fun story for you.
It is about big happy news.
Type yes if you like surprises.
Let us begin our English lesson.
I am so happy today.
Why are you so happy?
I won the lottery. Big prize.
That is wonderful news, Lily.
Yes! I cannot believe it.
You are a very lucky person.
I bought one ticket yesterday.
And now you are a winner.
I am here to claim money.
Yes, we are ready for you.
My heart is beating fast.
Please do not worry, Lily.
This is amazing. Very exciting.
I understand your excitement.
Thank you for your help.
It is my job to help.
My life will change now.
Yes, it will change much.
I am so grateful for this.
Enjoy your good fortune, Lily.
That was a great story.
Now, let us practice English.
We will use these words now.
Listen carefully and repeat often.
Good morning, Mr. Thompson.
Good morning, Lily. How are you?
I am fantastic. So happy.
Why are you so happy?
I won the lottery prize.
That is great news. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, sir.
Do you have your ticket?
Yes, here it is now.
Let me check this for you.
I am so excited right now.
Yes, the ticket is valid.
This is amazing. I won.
You are a millionaire, Lily.
Oh my goodness. Thank you.
We're happy for you.
I cannot stop smiling.
That is perfectly understandable.
What do I do next?
We will fill out forms.
Okay, I am ready for this.
This takes a little time.
No problem. I have time.
Please sign here, Lily.
Here is my signature now.
Excellent. All is complete.
Thank you again, Mr. Thompson.
You are most welcome, Lily.
I am so incredibly happy.
Have a wonderful day, Lily.
Remember these two phrases.
First, I am so happy.
Second, this is amazing.
Practice them often, please.
The secret is simple. Listen more.
Watch our videos every day.
Like this video and subscribe.
Real English. Real communication. English is very difficult.
No, English is very easy.
Today, we learn bus phrases.
Type yes if you are ready.
Oh no, my bus.
The bus leaves now.
Wait, please, wait for me.
You are late, sir.
I need this bus.
The door is closing.
I am running very fast.
You must be on time.
Please, just 1 minute.
Okay, quickly get on.
Thank you very much.
Next time, arrive early.
Yes, I will do that.
Good. take your seat.
This seat is comfortable.
We are leaving now.
Now, let us practice.
Repeat these useful phrases.
Is this the correct bus?
Yes, it is the bus.
Where does this bus go?
It goes to the market.
I need to go there.
Please pay your fare.
Here is my money.
Thank you. Take your ticket.
When is the next stop?
The next stop is soon.
Please stop at the bank.
I will stop there.
Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, sir.
I will get off here.
Have a good day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Remember, is this the bus?
And please stop here.
Use simple words always.
Do not be afraid.
Speak English every day.
Subscribe for more lessons.
We love your comments.
Real English. Real communication. Do you say, "Hello, friend," always?
That is not always natural.
Today, learn real airport greetings.
Maya is arriving at the airport.
Her Uncle David waits for her.
They have not met for long.
Type yes if you miss family. Maya walks from the gate.
David scans the crowd nervously.
She sees him. She smiles big.
He sees her. He waves quickly.
She runs to him, very happy.
He opens his arms, relieved.
They hug each other tightly.
This is a happy reunion now.
Listen to their first words.
They are simple but powerful.
Now let us practice with them.
Repeat after Maya and David.
Listen closely, speak loudly. Uncle David, it is you.
Maya, you are finally here.
Yes, I am so happy.
I am very happy too.
How are you doing today?
I am good. And you?
I am great. The flight was long.
Are you tired now, Maya?
No, I am not tired.
That is good to hear.
It is good to see you.
It is wonderful to see you.
I missed you very much.
I missed you too, my dear.
How is everything at home?
Everything is fine. Thank you.
Good. I am very glad.
Let us get your luggage.
Okay, let us go now.
Welcome to my city, Maya.
Thank you, Uncle David.
I am so glad you came.
Me too. This is great. Remember these two phrases.
It is good to see you.
I am so happy now.
Practice them often, please.
Secret tip: use your body language.
Smile. Make eye contact always.
It makes your words stronger.
Like, subscribe, and share this.
Tell us your favorite greeting.
Real English. Real communication.